Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing Windows and Roblox so Fullscreen can take over. First, close apps that create overlays or notifications which can force the taskbar visible. Then open the Roblox desktop app rather than a browser session, because browsers sometimes allow the taskbar to remain. Next, set the Windows taskbar to auto-hide in Settings Personalization taskbar. This ensures the bar retracts when an app is full screen. Once done, launch your Roblox game in full screen mode and observe whether the bar disappears. Now you'll align display settings so Roblox truly occupies the screen. Make sure the in-game resolution matches your desktop resolution. Mismatches can trigger the taskbar to stay visible. Use Roblox's full screen toggle or press F11 or Alt plus Enter to switch to exclusive full screen. Exclusive mode usually prevents the taskbar from appearing. If you run multiple monitors, disable the taskbar showing on all displays in Windows taskbar settings, because the taskbar on a secondary monitor can sometimes float over the full screen. Finish by applying final fixes and testing for persistent problems. If the taskbar still shows, reopen Task Manager, find Explorer. EXE and choose Restart. This resets the taskbar and often clears display glitches. Make sure your GPU drivers and the Roblox client are up to date. Outdated drivers can break exclusive full-screen behavior. Finally, test another full-screen app or game to confirm whether this is Roblox-specific. If other apps also fail, the issue is Windows level. Otherwise, reinstall Roblox or reset its settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.